Hey, guess what? You can tell these guys from Honolulu. These guys are unbelievable here. What kind of business you guys in?
My name is Chase Conching. We're for Library Creative. We're a graphic and web design company.
Hey, use you guys, right? If they're a graphic designer, right?
That's right.
Okay, so who's the fastest chef?
Oh, you know it's man in the
Okay,
pan.
big checker! Welcome to the Man and the Pan. Hey, today I'm going to do something really exciting. I'm going to make Chow Fun. Chow Fun is like a really great dish. Everybody loves Chow Fun. First of all, I got like a roast pork and I had it all chopped up here. And man, the thing is gonna be some ono. I got some Chow Fun noodles. I got some flavor pack frozen vegetables. So this is like the easy way to go. It's all cut up. You can get all kind of different assorted vegetables. So here I go, man. Kind of like. So I put the thing like on medium heat. So it's on medium heat. Okay. Now Chow Fun is such an easy dish to make. And it's just like what it is. It's called Chow Fun because it's kind of like fun to make it. You can use in the Chow Fun, you can use chicken, you can use pork, you can use beef, you can just chop anything up and put it in here as your meat. I use the Chinese roast pork because there's a lot of flavor in it. Huh? It's so simple. So the pork is actually already cooked, so I'm just kind of like heating it up. Bust a bag of frozen. This is frozen. You're finding the frozen out. Dump it all in. Everything here is cooked on like medium heat. Okay. All I have in here is about 3 ounces of Chinese roast pork. It's like a 12-ounce bag of frozen flavor pack stir-fried noodles. So you can use whatever vegetables you want. These dishes are so easy, and I want to have all the men out there to learn how to cook. It's so quick and simple, okay? Now, thing is already almost done. I'm gonna dump in the Chow Fun noodles. It's about 6 ounces. Throw the Chow Fun noodles in here, okay? Stir it all together like this. Wow. Look at these noodles, right? Look at them, yeah? Wow. Mix it all up in here. So it mixes together real well with all that great flavoring. Then I dump in some of my favorite mushroom stir-fry sauce. About 2 tablespoons, okay? And I stir it and mix it all up. Okay, everything seems to be perfect. It's just about there. So I think it's time to plate it. Here you go. Chow Fun. The burger look good. Well, let's see how it tastes. Look at the noodles. Yeah? Thick noodles. Wow. The problem with this, once you start eating, it's hard to stop. Chow Fun. Until next week, we'll see you. Aloha. Great Super Bowl dish.